Kani gade ka pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Ka Futsal Association of Meghalaya komsi Mynta bat penito yakani ka Jingïalehkai shan haka arpa tarik mutau nailor kan sa Pynlong ya ka first open futsal tournament ka baon penkot pat haka alai potrek mentahiu nailor yakani ka lempung Jingïalehkai on Pynlong ringkat ka jingtrelang bat ka Futsal Association of India bat layo jing kershan ru na ka District Sports Promotion Society jong ka East Castles District yakani ka lempung on Pynlong ha indoor stadium Kebahagiaan kompleks Polo Shillong nadu kapor kendai beje mestap hadu kapor nreu beje janmiet parok lai sngi kani kadai ka 5-a-side football tournament bakajing temu hi kalong ban penmi am tangi kinong Jingïalehkai futsal hendai kinong Jingïalehkai football kibran sap bat ang nuat ban kieu hakini ka Jingïalehkai.
The objective of Futsal Association of Meghalaya is not only to produce the futsal players, but we are also aiming at producing the footballers. So in order to achieve this main objective, we will form the different units at the district level. So soon after this, because soon after the tournament, we will form the different units at district level so that we can reach to the grassroots level. Because our target age group will be the kids and the youths of the state. In the future, we will have a roadmap to promote futsal in the state for the benefit of our young kids and youth through the guidance and support of the Futsal Association of India. To make our dream come true, we appeal to all stakeholders, be it the government, companies, club, sport associations, individual, or anybody. We request them to support us. When we get such support, we can even plan to take part at the national level of futsal tournament, which will be organized by Futsal Association of India of different age groups. So for this first open futsal tournament, we are giving it open. We would like to invite teams, which may be localities, institutions, clubs, organizations, groups, or anyone can participate. Because this is our first time, our main aim is in this tournament is that we just want to introduce the game of futsal. Will be accept only limited teams, maximum 32 numbers, and hence we will take the teams on first come first serve basis. The rules of the game on the pitch will be as per Futsal Association of India. In this tournament, we will give cash prize award with trophies, medals, and certificates to the winning and winners of team. Registration forms can be obtained at 3 places. We are keeping the form from the 4th onward. Number 1 will be at Robok Sports, Matpran. Number 2 will be Trends, shop number 46, Muda, Police Bazaar. And number 3 will be at US Dollar Departmental Store, Lynter. The registration of participating teams will be from the 5th to 18th September 2017. To know more details about our tournament and about the process of registration, we have kept 2 mobile numbers. That is, one number is 708-592-1541 and another one is 811-900-9330. Player have to be very develop skill, long the technique. Man have got very limited time to control the ball now. They will lama Jingïalehkai bahwa futsal kemudian ile segala benda side group long unum problem sih. Namar kombinatif higi star player Mynta gitu, mi han berteh bon bala sedang ke futsal sih. Tengi ro kata ke simut long inform ini ke shot maybe long will produce some more Messi or Ronaldinho in the future. Kumiki Mynta ke Premier Futsal lo po India kala sedang ke league Mynta. Ngingi aim ro maybe there will be one point of time long don't players yang dah kaya tu league long kan mentoy gitu. Actually, the dreams only kalau very big for this thing. And without the support of different stakeholders kalau yang gimana ya siapa.